Hey, what's going on? This is Nene The Idealist, and you're tuned into Only Legends TV. Thank you for tuning in, man. I know a lot of y'all who are my subscribers. Shouts out to all my subscribers that's out there, and also shouts out to you that's probably new that's watching this video. Man, I know it's been a long time. I kind of revamped my channel, where I want to take it throughout the rest of this year and the New Year's, So as you can see, Only Legends, you know what I'm saying? That's the brand. You see it, Only Legends, like I said. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now, because as you can see, you're going to get pure entertainment. You're going to get like media news. You're also going to get tips and tricks about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, how to make money in different niches, online, offline, all that good stuff. I'm also going to showcase my work on here, my graphic designs, behind the scenes of music videos and other projects that I'd be involved in. But I've been going so long, y'all, and I'm back. As you can see, I'm actually on the actual channel itself, Only Legends. So all you gotta do is click that subscribe button over here. Go ahead and then hit the little bell so you can turn on your notifications, so you can be the first one to actually get the footage. You know what I'm saying? Just be the first one to be like, oh, I got it. You know what I'm saying? So that way you won't be late on anything. In this video right now, I'm actually going to talk to y'all about how to make money through these mobile apps. My phone's actually charging right now, so it's dead. That I'm talking about is actually Mercari, because you can make an extra $100, extra $300. Doesn't matter, but you can make literally an extra $1,000 a month off these mobile apps. Mobile apps, the selling apps, like Mercari, Poshmark, Grailed, OfferUp. You have, and I'm talking about Mercari right now specifically because I like it. I really do. I really like it, and I've made money with it, So I'm going to dive right into it. A lot of people I've seen on the internet, they've made, money with Mercari and stuff like that. I started with Mercari like in 2016, like a couple years ago. I didn't take it too much serious. I was really looking for a way to make quick money because I was like in a little bad place. A lot of people are a lot of eBay breadwinners, and I really can't even sell no more on eBay right now, you know what I'm saying, due to a whole nother story, which I'll probably make a video about that. So I had to go somewhere else, and I chose Mercari. It's on my phone. I could click, it's an app. I could sell stuff, on it. I could take pictures of what I'm selling, upload, boom, ship it off to people, and you could do that. You could ship it. You don't have to meet up with them locally to give it to them. Just go to Mercari.com. I'm going to leave the link below this video so you can click on it. It's free to sign up. Okay, so the few things that I'm just going to tell you all about, I kind of wrote some notes here about it. Mercari, their selling fee is literally like 10%. That's their selling fee. The app is free to sign up on, and their shipping fee kind of varies. It actually varies depending on what you're selling. Or you can do free shipping, which I do free shipping because I go through another postal service. You can sell literally anything on here. So as you can see right here, like I said, I've been on Mercari since 2016. And I got like a whole 5-star rating, I got reviews. Let me look at my reviews, man, because y'all be thinking I'm playing, but I'm not, and so this is one of the things that I've been on making money with, so here's my reviews, and nothing but great. You see that? Nothing but great comments, great review, all great. So mainly from buyers. I bought a couple things myself off of here, and they gave me a great review. So again, this is my page, and on the app you can see my page. You can actually look me up. Just type in Only Legends with a Z, like you see here, so you can see what I'm selling. And I mainly sell clothes on here, my clothing line, electronics, as you can see, games. I'm an electronic person. So I know some people have questions like, well, what actually sells? Literally anything. But the main thing that I've had a lot of success with selling on here is electronics. As you can see, I sold a few of my clothes, like the hoodies, but you see, I mainly sold a lot of phones. And so I'm gonna go on completed listings. Okay, because this is the listing. This is what I've sold. Okay. So look, I've sold the iPhone 6, I sold a PSP Vita, I sold another iPhone 6S, I sold an iPhone 5. I literally sold a lot of phones on here, electronic wise. I sold a game, Grand Theft Auto, so let's add this up. So I'm going to go to Google real quick so you can see that I'm not playing. So calculator online. I'm going to go to the online calculator right here. You can add this up. So we're going to go down to the first one, the very top one. I'm going from top to bottom. If you hear any other noise, it's my dog trying to lay down. Okay, so see the selling fee was like $9.50. I sold it for 95 bucks. It said right here, look, you made $85.50. So 85.50. That's $85.50, right? Okay, $85.50. Go back to the calculator. 85. Okay, 85.50 plus. So I made a decent amount, but like I said, I gotta, you know, take off 20%, you know, so it'll still be around like close to $600, you know. Oh yes, I was going up top. So 85.50. Then my PS Vita. Y'all can literally sell anything. So that for $100, well, 95 bucks. So plus another 85.50 plus. And when they say completed, that means I got my money, they got the package, and they're happy. So I'll do another video on more tips and tricks with Mercari and how to sell on these apps, especially this one. Also, I sold this is a phone. I sold for 156 bucks. So again, like the selling fee is 10%. And here goes $140.40. So that's $140.40 plus, you know, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below this video about your questions, and I'll sure enough to make another video to answer your questions. Okay, so go below the video right now, ask any questions you like, and I'll do my best to answer them. I actually sold this iPhone 5 for like 50 bucks, and so I made 45 bucks off of that. So plus 45. Like, I don't think I understand the gist of this. Like, you can really make some money with this, you know, especially if you choose the right products and do it right. Here's another iPhone I sold. I love selling iPhones, and I love them. Like, iPhone is, man, it's a breadwinner if you really think about it. I sold this one for 250 bucks, so I made 225. So plus 225 bucks, and what is it? Yeah, just 225 plus. Again, gotta go back. The hoodie I sold a hoodie. Like I said, I sold some of my clothing brand on here, my custom clothing brand, and I sold that for like 35 bucks. So it's 31.50 plus 31.50 plus. I sold another hoodie. I think I sold this one different. I think I sold this one for a different price. It probably was the same price. Yeah, like 36 bucks. So that's 32.40. Yeah, 32.40 plus 32.40 plus, and then I sold again, and this Google Chrome thing, the streaming player. I think it's like a Fire Stick. But I sold this too, 18 bucks, made 18 bucks off of that, so plus 18, and then I believe I made like 10 bucks or something on this. Grand Theft Auto game, the last little item I sold. You know, like I said, I wasn't taking it serious in 2016, so, but then I got serious, kind of sort of this year. So I made 18 bucks off of that. And so this equals out. Oh, I did make, okay, wow. I forgot to add that other one. I did make more. I thought I just made it like 500, so it was 600. So it was $681.30. Right now, you need some money. Go ahead, go through your closet, or whatever, and get rid of some electronics that you're not using, or clothes that you're not using. You know, on my take, electronics really sell quicker on here because people are looking for deals on that. Clothes kind of varies because of the size, color, you know, if it's authentic or not, especially if it's name brand. But Mercari is straight up mobile. So, you know, their customer service is okay, especially through the app. You know, on the website, I believe I found their phone number or whatnot somewhere in one of their blogs or at the bottom. So, also a tip, you can use the promote button. They have a promote button that you can give your viewers a deal on, and it'll boost your item up on top of the page. And that's how I was getting the majority of my sales, you know. But I'll show you how that all works in another video. I can just show you the shirts that I went to buy. You know, I went to do retail arbitrage, basically going to retail places and, you know, getting there off their clearance rack or something that's, you know, buy low, sell high type stuff, you know. So what I bought like 2 shirts, name brand shirts. They're pretty vintage if you really think about it, because they're like, let me see, where is that? Yeah, here's a shirt. This is one of them. It's called an English Journey. Like, I heard that is a name brand, but I didn't know it was like a real actual name brand, you know. But it's, you know, it's still a name brand shirt, you know. So I looked it up, did my research on it. So English Journey shirt. I bought it for like $6, and I'm selling it for like $40. You know, so, and then this is an actual medium. That's a real tag on there, so they know it's authentic. So you get the back of it. You know, another shirt, another item I just bought with this shirt is this 2 monkeys. It's authentic. I've checked for it. Like I said, I did my research. So when you have name brand items, make sure they're authentic, because Mercari will flag you. Yeah, and on this shirt, it's a small and men, and it's it's authentic, 2 monkeys, with the name Savage on it, you know, design. Actually, it's pretty dope, you know. Might keep it, I don't know. But yeah, man. So you can go to like thrift stores, or just a lot of stores like Ross. It's just so many stores that you can go to and get like a lot of dope name brand clothes from, like this, and resell them, because, you know, a lot of places have the clearance, you know, the clearance rack, and sometimes they got deals going on. You can do that and like really make some money on Mercari, even if it's a quick $200, $300, like in a week or so. You know, they do direct deposit. That's how you get your money. They don't do no checks, and they don't do PayPal. I wish they did do PayPal, because if they did, that would have been like instant. But because so many people, there's so many scams that be going around sometimes and stuff through certain apps, you know, and people still be trying to do the scam thing, you know. They do protect their sellers and their buyers. So once the buyer gets the item, you know, and the buyer must rate you. They have to rate you before you even get your money. You know what I'm saying? But if they don't rate you, guess what? Mercari be like, okay, since you had a tracking number and they made it to their address, here's your money. Like, you know, and that happened to me recently. And I'm like, dude, like, did you, you know, rate me? I mean, can you rate? And, you know, contact the dude, didn't say nothing. I was like, oh, man, it was crazy. But Mercari was like, okay, it's there. Here's your money. You know what I'm saying? As long as you got a valid tracking number, you will be straight. You know, but yes, that's it on this video. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all like a quick review on Mercari and, you know, my journey with it, because, you know, I'm back, like I said. So, and this is going to be like the web series. I'm going to call it like the vlog series of Wi-Fi trapping. I'll call it Wi-Fi trapping because I'm on the internet, you know, and then I'm walking around, I'm on my phone, you know. So that's it, y'all. Thank you. Peace out.